Hello and welcome to day 46 of Bedtime Welsh, and this is a monster day. And that means you're not worrying about trying to get these right. You're just listening to them, having a go, and then seeing how much you recognise of the models you hear. And if you want to come back and try and build up to them later on, if you want to run through this a couple of times or try and build them out at home, then that's fine too. So this isn't about perfection. It's about hearing the full monster sentences so that you can start to see how they all fit together. Okay? So with that in mind, we've just got 3 challenges for you today. Here they come. They're gigantic. I'm going to start feeling nervous if you ask me what the answer is.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus os wyt ti
Yn gofyn
wrtha fi
yn gofyn I fi.
Yn gofyn I fi beth ydi'r ateb.
Da iawn, da iawn. See, really hard for Bain not to remember that. Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus os wyt ti'n gofyn I mi beth ydi'r ateb. So when you can say all of that in one go, whoa, you're doing fantastically. Okay, next monster for you. I want to speak Welsh with you now, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rwan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud.
Da iawn, Beino. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rwan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio deud. Oh, that's a giant one. And now for the third of these 3 huge monster sentences, it's time for... Do you want to play something interesting with me, or do you need to work more?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol hefo fi rwan, neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy?
Da iawn, Beina. In fact, I think you remember that better than I did. Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol efo fi rŵan, neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy? So 3 monster enormous sentences there. Have fun with them, play around with them. Don't try and get them right. Don't worry about being right. Just try and build up to them. And when you can get any one of them, you're doing brilliantly. If any of you can get to all 3, I'd love to hear about it. Okay, something a little bit less monstrous for you tomorrow. But in the meantime, hwyl am y tro. Ta-ra!